Hey guys, it's Brent, and today I'm back in Prosper with another beautiful listing. This is in Whitley Place. It was built by Highland. It's got 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, a media room downstairs, a gorgeous pool and spa out back, and it happens to back up to a green space with a creek in it. If you'd like to see this home, we're going to be holding it at an open house this Sunday from 1 to 4, and I'd love to meet you. So if you don't have anything better to do, come by and say hi to me. I'd love to get to know you, answer your real estate questions, and show you this gorgeous house. Let's take a quick tour, and be sure and tell me what you think in the description below. Neighbors, thanks for taking a tour with me. As you can see, we usually have some of the most beautiful properties for sale in Prosper. As this home is so pretty, we anticipate a pretty high demand for it. So I would encourage you, get out to see it with your real estate agent as soon as you can, schedule a private showing, take a tour. If you decide you would like to put an offer in on this home, I would get it written up as soon as possible. Now, if you don't have a real estate agent, or you're not really sure if this is the right home for you, come tour it on Sunday from 1 to 4. It's a stress-free thing to do, and we're gonna have some agents on our team available. You can chat with them and get your questions answered about the real estate market in our area or this specific house. And if you've watched my channel for any length of time, get ready, here it comes, I'm gonna lay it on you. May God keep and bless you, may He cause His face to shine upon you, and may He bring you peace. God bless.